When you search for the best adhesive for Caravan solar panels, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what's just marketing fluff, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Ristmo Waterproof Cable Entry. Let's kick things off with the Ristmo 2-pack of IP68 waterproof solar cable entry gland. The price is around $12.99, and what caught my attention was its impressive 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews. If you're looking for a reliable way to protect your solar panel cables, this is worth a serious look. This is crucial for your Caravan, ensuring your cables stay protected from rain and moisture. Plus, it's made from industrial-grade ABS plastic, which is UV and fire-resistant. With dimensions of 5.12 L x 3.74 W x 1.57 H, it fits a cable diameter of 6 to 12, making it versatile for various setups. Many users rave about its easy installation. You can use adhesive glue or screw it in. Now some folks have mentioned that the adhesive isn't included, which might be an inconvenience for some. Here's the thing though, as long as you have your adhesive ready, it's a small trade-off for such a durable product. This is perfect for anyone who wants a straightforward and effective solution for managing solar panel cables. Skip this one if you're looking for something that comes with adhesive included. Overall, for the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the lack of included adhesive bothers you, the next one takes a different approach. Product number 2, Renagi Cable Entry Gland. Next up is the Renagi Solar Cable Entry Gland Housing Mount, priced at $9.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,200 reviews, it's a well-liked option. What makes the Renagi stand out is its compatibility with virtually any aluminum-framed solar panels. The cable entry gland diameter ranges from 6mm to 12mm, making it flexible for various cable sizes. The installation is easier and more flexible compared to others, which is a big plus if you're setting this up in tight spaces. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit challenging to align properly during installation. Here's my take. If you're somewhat handy, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. Just take your time with the alignment and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, eco-friendly option that doesn't break the bank. Skip this if you need something that's easier to install right out of the box. The value here is excellent for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need extra durability. Product number 3, Ristmo Black Cable Entry. Coming in at number 3 is another option from Ristmo. The 2-pack of IP68 waterproof solar cable entry gland, this time in black, also at $12.99. It has a strong 4.4-star rating from 631 reviews. Just like the previous Ristmo product, this one boasts the same impressive IP68 waterproof rating. The installation remains drill-free with easy adhesive application. Plus, it's also made from heavy-duty ABS plastic, ensuring it's both UV and fire-resistant. However, some users indicated that the black color might not blend well with certain roofs. Here's the thing. If aesthetics are a top priority for you, this might not be the best fit. But if functionality is your main focus, it performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for those who prioritize durability and protection in their solar panel setups. Skip this if you're worried about color matching with your Caravan. For the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if color isn't a deal breaker for you, the next product is a game changer for mounting. Product number 4, CMYYNGLIN Mounting Bracket Kit. Next, we've got the solar panel mounting bracket kit from CMYYNGLIN, priced at $30.99 and boasting a solid 4.5-star rating from 212 reviews. What caught my eye here is the complete package. You get 7 pieces that allow for drill-free installation of solar panels on various surfaces like RVs and boats. The brackets are made from high-quality ABS plastic, ensuring they won't corrode over time. They lift the solar panels, providing optimal airflow, which helps keep them cool. But here's the downside. Some users found the instructions a bit unclear. I get it, having clear instructions is essential, especially if you're doing a DIY project. But if you're tech-savvy or willing to watch a tutorial, you'll manage just fine. This kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want an easy installation without drilling holes. Skip this if you're not comfortable with a bit of DIY work. Overall, it's a great investment for hassle-free solar panel mounting. Now, if DIY isn't your thing, the last product is a straightforward solution that might suit you better. Product number 5. Ristmo IP68 Cable Gland. Finally, we have the Ristmo IP68 Waterproof Solar Cable Entry Gland, priced at $9.99. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 631 reviews, it's a reliable choice. What's great about this product is, just like the others, it offers an IP68 waterproof rating, ensuring your cables remain protected from moisture. Its compact dimensions make it suitable for tight spaces while still accommodating cables from 6 to 12 in diameter. However, some users mention that the adhesive might take a while to set. Here's the thing, if you're patient and let it cure properly, you'll have a strong, lasting bond. This is perfect for anyone seeking a no-fuss solution for protecting their solar panel cables. Skip this if you need something that sets immediately. It's a fantastic value for the performance it delivers. To wrap it up, we've looked at some solid options: the Ristmo Waterproof Cable Entry Gland, the Renagi Cable Entry Gland, the black version of the Ristmo, the CMYYNGLIN Mounting Bracket Kit, and the Ristmo IP68 Cable Gland. Each offers unique benefits tailored to different needs. No matter which you choose, you'll be investing in the longevity and safety of your solar setup.